Wow! Chess looks
Fun!
I want to move the pawn first.
Remember, kids, each piece moves differently. Let's start
The
with
knight
pawns.
jumps over the pieces. Wow! It can move in L shape.
Yes! Knights are unique because they can jump over other
The bishop
pieces.
moves diagonally.
It can go so far until something blocks it.
Yes, always remember, bishops move diagonally across the board.
The bishop moves diagonally.
It can go so far until something blocks it.
Yes, always remember, bishops move diagonally across
the
the
rook
board.
moves straight across rows and columns.
Wow! It can go so far until blocked.
Yes. Wow!
Always
the queen can go anywhere. Diagonally, straight, amazing.
Yes! The queen is the most powerful piece on the board.
The king moves slowly, one step at a time.
Wow!
Castling is so fun.
Wow!
Both
My
king...
pawn became a queen! That's so cool! Now it's super powerful!
Yes,
Oh no!
pawns
The
can
king
be promoted.
is in check. Checkmate! That ends the game!
Yes, check is a warning, checkmate is the end. Always protect your
King
king.
and rook move together.
That's so fun and clever! Yes!
Castling protects your king and brings the rook into play safely.